So today I am going to introduce you to the Midnight Drive. One Midnight Drive is exactly the same as two Sunset Drive pedals. It's exactly the same. The only difference is that you use one power supply, and that's pretty much it. So here is the clean reference in the bridge, middle and neck pickup, and I use my 1988 American Standard US Telecaster for these sound samples. Yeah, so you basically have two pedals that are the same, but you can use them for different things. You can use the one as more of a clean boost, and you can use the other one as more of a filthy sound. And here are some sound samples as how that would sound as a clean boost, but also as a more filthy sound. And last but not least, you can stack these two sounds. So you have two Sunset Drive pedals in one. You can activate both at the same time, and then you just get those creamy, saturated, long sustaining notes that we all love and inspire us to play more guitar. And isn't that what you want at the end of the day, to be inspired to play more? Thank you so much. If you hear this, you actually sat through the whole video, which I really appreciate. And you can buy my pedals at alivenowpedals.co.za. Free shipping within South Africa. At the moment, I'm not shipping overseas, but we'll get there. Thank you so much for watching.